See, I'm right at dominant. Or left side dominant. You just leave your stick. Well, I can't shoot that. You're going. Because of where the ejection is, it's like right here. Right. It's off my face, but I can't shoot it. I can shoot it, but I gotta shoot it right in, but I can't aim it. Yeah. There's you taking back up a little, take your foot and then put it underneath your butt. Hey Chris, you put that where the target is facing forward? Like that. And then pull it back to where the clip is hanging on the side.
Is there a target on it?
Yeah. You can put the clip all the way up to the foot, it's kind of stable. It's alright, just shoot for the middle of that son of a bitch. There you see it.
That's down there.
The big orange one.
I need green.
Slide over, Scott. Wait a minute.
Oh.
What? You licked the shit out of it.
Yeah, he did.
Well, she hit the target. Don't worry, we got more rounds. Hold on down there. You do that. Everybody get your camera.
Where is that thing?
I don't know. Don't make me put Daniel down there. When you're about ready to fire, press my dog. When you're ready to fire, take a deep breath and hold your breath. Wow. You sure you got the right thing? I don't know.
I need you to
I
make.
think you're having a lot of fun shooting a gun.
The little orange thing on the top.
What the hell?
Can I try?
Let me back it out.
Hey, where that?
Where's it?
I'm over here.
Right now. No. You ain't gonna see that. First two shots predicted. Yeah. You'll know if you hit it.
Think you need to show Granddad how it's done.
Yeah, I guess.
Wow. Wow.
Oh.
You want me to put D on this one and let him shoot at the last one? Oh, well, they ain't no bad. At least you're honest. He already has, but at least you're honest. Yeah, I was gonna say he got it first shot.
Send that video to Top Shot.
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. That'd be some shit if you made it to there.
Put the 13-year-old kid up against all these adults and watch them whoop their ass.
Green that goes, I'm bad at it. Little orange cup. That would have been the one too. Wow. I don't know, there's some pissed off animals in fucking. They're out there cussing you and flicking up their little furry fingers.